have you crossed the title, or maybe you have erased it, you made a mess, now you want to fix it and you don't know how to. So here I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do that. So in this case, I had this issue. I bought a Sprinter pen, as you can see here on the left side, and the seller, put his name in the wrong place. So I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it a little bit better. Okay, as you can see here, he wrote his name, Donald Williams, instead of putting my company's name. So as you can see here on the bottom, where it says signatures seller, that is where he had to put his name. So okay, so he crossed it. As you can see here on the bottom, it says do not accept titles showing any erasures, alterations, or mutilations. So basically, don't do any of that. So as you can see here, because in Michigan, you don't need to have the title signed by a notary, but in this case, because I live in Ohio, Cincinnati, they require that. So I said, okay, we have to have that, you know, in advance, so that way I don't have any issue. So when I went to the DMV, they told me, well, with this cross, you cannot do anything. But here is the solution. So as you can see here, they gave me this paper. It says State of Ohio, Butler County. And then they told me, okay, the seller, he have to fill this up. So basically, he have to put the city, in this case Cincinnati, because it's where I am. The guy lives in Michigan, just in case. So he put here, he put his name, as you can see here. And then he put his address here. And then on the bottom, he has to put the year. In this case, this Sprinter van that I bought is 2011. The brand, or the make in this case, is Mercedes-Benz. The model Sprinter van, so that is what you have to write. And then here you have to put the VIN number, the VIN, the identification, and he has to you know, write a little bit more about the problem. So here it says, accidentally signed my name in the wrong place. That's it, and extract it out. So that is all. That's it. So there was no other problem than that. So that is why he has to explain what happened with the title. He put the date, he signed it again, he printed it basically, and he had to have this notarized by the notary. So as you can see here, we have the seal of the notary, the date where this paperwork was done, and that's it. So just in case, if for people, you know, if any criminal is watching this video, make sure that you don't do anything fraudulent, because here it says, under Ohio revised code, if you do any, you know, weird thing here, is punishable with 5 years or up to $10,000. And you know, if you falsify any falsification, is a misdemeanor of 3rd degree, punishable by a term of incarceration up to 6 months, or a fine up to $1,000. So basically, don't do anything weird and you should be good. The good thing about this is that I took a picture of the paper, I sent it to him, he printed it out at his house, I guess, and he took it to the notary, they fill it up, that's it. So, and he sent me a picture back again, I printed on my end, I went to the DMV, and that's it. So problem solved, was easy. And that was amazing. Otherwise, it was going to be a big pain in the butt. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. I'll see you next time.